ABC News legal contributor and host at the Law and Crime Network, Brian Buckmire, joins me live now for more. Brian, we're told the suspect plans to waive extradition today. Why do that?
Good morning, Diana. In terms of waiving extradition, what he's saying is he's not going to contest that he is the person named in this affidavit, nor is he going to contest that these allegations have reached at least a lower level threshold to send him back to the state of Idaho. This is probably just to expedite the process, as his public defender in Pennsylvania said he is excited to, or looking forward to, fighting these charges.
Now, the suspect's attorney says the death penalty is on the table in this case. Could that impact how we see this case argued?
Absolutely. So with death penalty cases, the prosecutor or the state has to put forward notice that they're seeking for a death penalty within the first 30 or 60 days, depending on the state. And from there, they're going to put forward those aggravating circumstances. If you remember the Parkland school shooter, you're looking at state-specific factors that bring this from a life in prison type of case to the death penalty. So they're going to really focus on those aggravating circumstances and the case as a whole to try to push this past just life in prison to a death penalty.
And Brian, we've also learned that police track the suspect down using public genealogy databases, like the ones used to catch the Golden State Killer as well. So how important are databases like this, and how much of a role do you think that will play in this case?
For police department and law enforcement across the country, it's huge, especially when you have what we presume here to be an individual, who has no criminal background. Oftentimes when people are convicted of crimes, their DNA goes into a database. Law enforcement can search it throughout the country. But here, when a suspect doesn't have a record, they go to these genealogy websites that are public, and they're able to access this information, and they can find some familial DNA. Maybe your cousin, your brother, your father, your sister, someone related to you has put their DNA in that system, and that's how they're connecting this, along with, like you said, the Golden State Killer, to the crime scene and to get an affidavit and then an arrest warrant.
All right, Brian Buckmire, always great to have your analysis. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.